Right. So we saw that we ran into a problem, right? Because we had the child making some assumptions about some implementations of the parent, right, and how the whole plumbing of the inheritance works, and so we kind of broke our own rules here, right, of information hiding and encapsulation and whatnot, and so we're going to try and fix this, right? One way to fix this is to have the parent, right, just hide some stuff from the child and says, well, no, you're not going to have access to certain things, right? You're only going to have access to certain public interfaces, but the actual algorithms that manipulate the data model, I'm not going to give you access to that. So that there's no way that even if you inherit these things, right, you're going to inherit only the public implementation, but the private algorithm, that's going to remain private. Right, meaning that you're not going to be able to override that in any way, right? And then I'm going to implement all the public interfaces always in terms of this private implementation. Make sense? Right, so you're not even going to know what's going on in my encapsulated implementation, right? So what this new implementation does is says, okay, I'm going to centralize. I'm going to centralize all the operations that act on the actual data type. I'm going to centralize into some private methods, right? That this is the only way that you can come in here and edit something. Nobody's ever going to be able to override this, right? Because it's private. Not even my children, right? They're not going to be able to override this. Okay. So that and now I can I can go back into the parent implementation and do all the reusability that I wanted in the first place, right? Now notice that instead of having add all reuse add, right? Instead we implement that both of them are using the same underscore add, right? So that even if you override add, there's no way that you're overriding the private one, right? That one stays untouched. Okay, they're both going to the same place, right? And it's calling underscore add just once. Right? There's no way for double calling that implementation, regardless of where this is being implemented, either on the parent or the child, right? We still have reusability, right? From the parent's point of view, we still have implementing the algorithm in one single place, right, which was the original intent of having add all reuse add, right? So we still have that, but we have now stopped the child from overriding and re-implementing it and adding double counting. Okay, so yeah, now. Taking this into its ultimate conclusion, right? We perhaps want to completely disallow, right, the child from ever inheriting. So let's take a look at that.